So I love my room. This is honestly like my entryway. It's like my entryway table. You could learn a lot about myself without really ever getting to talk to me. So it just makes me happy to see. Hi, I'm Natalie Owings. I'm a marketing major here at SMU. I also minor in French and graphic design. You know, I went to a big high school. Probably just gonna go to a big public school. To me, it was this very esteemed private university. Visiting SMU actually was the turning point for me, was realizing, oh, I don't want to be a number. I want to be a person, an individual that my professors know and recognize, and I can build relationships faster and easier with them. If you can't tell, there's a mirror here and a mirror there. Can never have enough mirrors is my mother's philosophy. It really just kind of opens up a room. I spend a majority of my day sitting at this desk. Being in marketing and graphic design, I'm doing a lot of sketching and thumbnails, and my life is here on this little computer and with notebooks and stuff. This right here it's a book stamp, so whenever I finish a book, it gets a little stamp and it goes in the shelf. I have this little elephant because I lived in Virginia Snyder, so Tuscum. Those 2 years, I was also just literally exploring every other subject that I like. I thought medical school was going to be the thing for me, and I realized kind of quickly that I don't have a passion for it. Now I know French and Italian for fun, just, I definitely stumbled around a lot, and nothing's set in stone. Stuff changes all the time. That's life. Journeys aren't like this. They're all over the place. Benefits you. You grow as a person more from experiencing all these ups and downs. You're not just... But I also kind of use this as a quick vanity, so I always, quick fixes before I leave for the day, or even this mirror right here. We are flower people. We grow a lot of plants. My backyard is definitely a garden. Actually, this one and the big one who's dormant are the same age, so at least 2-3 years old. I was so scared coming to SMU because, man, it was, I'm naturally introverted. It's okay to be nervous because I had no idea what our future held, or who we were going to be, or who our friends were going to be. Little Natalie, it's okay to be uncertain. It's okay. It's totally fine. Honestly, just put yourself out there. Everyone there was scared. 18-year-old Natalie, I mean, girl, just talk.